Hi. So today is
Your birthday.
my birthday. It's April 7th, the day we're filming this. And obviously, if you're watching this April 7th, we are still in quarantine. So since I can't do anything for my birthday, we are gonna do a cupcake competition. We're kind of just gonna make our own flavors of cupcakes for my birthday and then call my family on Zoom and kind of hang out with them for my birthday because I can't go see them. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I bake more than you do,
You do.
but you were better at flavor combinations.
I'm better in the kitchen in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure
Okay.
who's gonna win.
Well, we each picked out a couple of ingredients. We're starting with, this is just super moist white cake mix. And
Hey, we need to know the sizes.
who needs recipes? Everybody knows baking isn't an exact science. I heard that somewhere on the internet. So I just dumped it in here and then she started yelling at me, so I stopped. I've heard that somewhere.
Everything today is just, I've heard that somewhere.
Well, yeah.
I don't know if that's true.
Maybe this is pasta. Maybe with pasta.
It is pasta for sure.
And this is an eggshell.
It's not like a pleasant feeling.
Oh, it's an eggshell.
Well, it's the egg goop that doesn't feel great.
Well, that feels nice.
Ew.
The only thing that I have done so far is I took one lemon, I zested it, juiced it, proceeded to rinse some blueberries, which I'm going to give this back over to you so you can rinse your strawberries.
Strawberries.
We both chose berries.
I feel like it was one of those things where it was going to be the only fresh ingredient we could put into our thing.
So the other one is I have rosemary that's just been sitting in some water. We're going to use this to flavor some stuff later on.
So, since this is technically supposed to be a bookish channel, and I don't want to completely deviate from content, you don't really read,
No.
but I, since quarantine has started, have read the 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, which was amazing, fantastic, like everybody always says. And then I read A Curse So Dark and Lonely, which I gave 4 stars, I really liked. And I read 3 Dark Crowns by Kendra Blake, which I did not love so much. And since we all have a ton of time to be doing extra reading, let me know some of the books you guys are reading and give me some ideas for good books to read while we're all stuck inside. I've also, right now I'm currently listening to The Poppy War by R.F. Kuang because we both got Animal Crossing the day it came out. And
That's all we've been doing.
it's all I've been doing, but I still want to be able to read. So audiobooks are really the only way I'm getting that in any way, shape, or form because I'm not going to stop playing Animal Crossing. Especially because I just got the terraforming tool. And so now I've got to put a lot of time in to terraform my island to make it look the way I want. So yeah, I've been listening to the audiobook, which I think is really, really well done. And I'm really liking it so far, so I'm hoping this is going to be another top read for me because I would like to go from the high of Evelyn Hugo back to another high
Not a low.
and not a low, and just keep that as the trend for the quarantine. Because it's really been a very hit or miss year for me so far. I feel like every time I read a book that I rate 4 or 5 stars, the next book is like a 1 or a 2 star, which is really frustrating. So I'm hoping to keep this momentum going. So hopefully The Poppy War is like a 5-star read for me. I also have been craving another like epic high fantasy that I can get lost into while I wait for the 4th Stormlight book to come out in November. I mean, I know I have the first first book in the Lightbringer series. I have the second Kingkiller Chronicles to read. I have the first in the Wheel of Time series. So I have a lot of options, but I went with the Poppy book because that's the one I have as an audiobook. My flavors are strawberry, peppermint, and chocolate, which I'm not sure if is going to be good together, all three of them. But I like chocolate and peppermint, and I like chocolate and strawberries. So we're taking a big gamble here because, I don't know, mint strawberry doesn't sound terrible. So we're taking a gamble. Alright, I now believe that my chocolate, peppermint, strawberry concoctions are ready. So, like I said, we're playing Animal Crossing. If you have Animal Crossing, tell me below what villagers you have, and if you want to kick any of them out. Right now, I am torturing 3 of my villagers because I want them out of my village. And he's one of them. He's got to go.
Goes in for 15 minutes, it says. 14 to 19 minutes. The oven's already been preheated, and I'm going in.
Okay, I'll do mine too.